Hello, people of the interwebs! Welcome back to Numb Senses, and we're going for Plug and Play Round 2! And this time, he's gonna be playing, I'm just gonna be watching. So, yeah, we don't need this shit.
Perfect.
There we go! You're gonna need the mouse, okay?
I'm gonna need a mouse.
Wait, let me... Stop! Stop fighting, my love! Fighting, go to Plug and Play. And hit play.
Plug and play, hit play.
Yes. Now, you guys already watched this episode, so click that. Welcome to the game.
This is so fucking stupid. I don't get it.
You're not supposed to. The fuck?
Supposed to make him crash? I really don't get this.
Have you ever seen this game at all?
No.
It's $3 for this shit. It's fun.
The fuck?
Trust me, things get weirder.
What? No, wait. I wanted this bitch stuff.
He actually knocked it out. You only caught it.
Just what? Just don't get it. Can't beat the shit out of... Oh, I can't. No!
You can't punch that guy!
Shit.
Looks like you're gonna get a different thing going on. This is where you gotta start to think.
I don't understand! Oh, that's so fucking stupid. God damn it! No! Go away!
Is it balls banging or something?
Go away! You bitch! So retarded. Do I want to choose the left hole or the right hole? This must be the right one.
Either one would have worked. God, this part. This part! You idiot.
What?
Try holding.
Oh, it's so nasty! Oh, you gotta grab it!
There's more! Dude, you're not done yet! There's another one! They're his plugs!
Oh, it's now. Just go.
So fucking fucking weird. He's trying to tell you something.
Ah!
You can throw it over to the left? I didn't know that. It's not his booty hole, dude. It's crotch. You don't know his booty hole because you see the butt cheeks. Dude! Keep on throwing them!
God damn it!
The shadow disappeared, which was weird. Dude, the buttons. Oh, this part.
Hi.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Too good for you, bitch.
Hi.
Do you know me?
I know you.
You don't know me.
Bitch!
Yes, I do.
Oh.
You do?
I do.
You don't.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Ah! I'm gonna do it
No.
2 more times.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh, he obviously
Yes.
does.
No.
What? Well, that's another girlfriend out the window.
Do you love me?
I don't know.
I love you.
I don't think I love you.
Is there a bitch slap spot?
Are you sure?
I think you don't love me.
Hug me.
Please.
I'm not sure.
Do you listen to me?
I do.
Surely not.
Oh.
Now you're acting like the bitch.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It's official. We're in a relationship. Our first argument.
Yes.
No.
You have to go back for the fourth one because you failed on the first one.
I love you.
I love you too.
No.
But I love you. Feel the
Alright.
frogs of joy.
Are you sure?
I think you don't love me.
Hug me.
I'm not sure.
I do love you.
I don't.
Oh, I can choose. It hurts or
It hurts.
I'm gonna go
It
this one.
hurts.
That's what she said.
I'm leaving.
That's also what she said.
Oh, plug man sad.
Bitch! Just get in the hole. Just put the thing in the hole. Dang it! Oh. He's not gonna shit, is he? Oh, okay. Plug man sex. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Get out of the thing!
Go away!
No.
Shut up and just go! Dude!
We're recording a video. Stop.
I just want to watch it.
You
No!
can't.
You can watch it once we're done! Ah, God, Metal Brothers!
You can't watch it. You'll be in the camera.
I'll open this
Dude!
door.
Wyatt, stop it now.
Okay.
Go play your DS. Ah! Oh no! I knew it! Why would it do that? Ah! Ah!
This just reminds me of the human centipede.
It's
Be
not
one of us!
I don't want to go. No! Wrong way! Wrong way! Go away! Go! Oh, there's probably one over there. Okay, let's just. Oh. Do it. Thank you. This is so
Dude, you have got. I have never seen the plugs do that! Where do you plug it in at now?
Wyatt, stop it. Dang. Oh. There. Yes. We will be one.
You're actually intelligent.
Everyone. Doesn't work. Oh, got it. No, what? Didn't work. Oh,
Gotta ease it in.
there. Okay. Clearly I'm being too rough. Nice. Oh, this bitch. This bitch wants some. Okay. Sorry, ho. We done. Hello. No! This is so weird. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life right now?
Nobody knows what the f this is.
It's so fucking weird. I would guess it works like that.
This is a psychology game.
Put it back. No! Don't you do no.
Turns around and goes for a running start.
I don't understand. Oh. I get it. This whole game's about turning somebody on. Yep, I knew it. This is so retarded and weird.
You beat the game!
Yep, you turn somebody on. This is so retarded! What is the point of this?
I don't know, and I paid $3 for this shit!
I'm officially creeped out. wasn't kidding when you said game. I was like, did that really just happen?
Exactly! I warned you, bro! I warned you! You wanted to play it anyways.
I didn't want to play it.
Well, I forced you to play it, bitch! Oh god, it's still recording!
15 minutes of that.
Yep. Well, I'm Dusty Luxurion.
It's Kishio. Kishio Reaper. Kishio. Whatever you want to call me.
His name is Blondie now. And we are signing out. Peace out! Get the fuck away from me, you bastards!